Hey, what's up, y'all? Today's video is going to be a Fenty foundation tutorial. The product description will be below. Now I'm going to jump straight to it and start priming my skin with that Fenty primer. And go ahead, and as you can see, I have acne scars from here to hell. So I'm going to have to build the foundation. And I'm going to start with this R50 Makeup Forever Correcting Concealer to kind of make my job a little easier, to kind of, soften out those harsh spots on my face like my acne scars. And then, as you can see, it's starting to fade a little bit. Next, I'm going to go in with the foundation. As you can see, it does look a little lighter on my skin, but it does set, when it sets in your skin, it does get darker than what it originally comes on in your face as. So I'm going to just go ahead and try to layer it as much as I can. I usually like to do 2 to 3 layers because I just feel like I don't want to overdo it. This foundation is really light, so it doesn't feel really heavy. And even throughout the day, when I have oily skin, it don't look crazy. So it's really nice and light. I love it. Rihanna, you really did your shit on this one. So then I'm gonna go ahead with this LA girl and just go ahead and do, that contour shit, and just blend that shit in underneath my eyes, chin, underneath my nose, my forehead, and all that little good stuff. And once I blend that in, I'm gonna go back in there with this Kat Von D translucent powder. I'm not gonna lie, I just got it and it do make my face look ashy. So even though I'm wasting my time putting it on the bottom half of my face, I'm gonna go back in with my Cover FX in medium and just kind of go ahead and just blend it out, because I like to have a little tint on my skin. I don't like that ashy look at all. So this is also helping to set, and it does give your skin that nice natural finish. That's why I like that setting powder. And once I go ahead and finish with that, I will go ahead and pick up my Anastasia and start contouring my cheekbone. I don't know about y'all, but when I start seeing that cheekbone start popping out, and you start contouring your forehead, your chin, I start feeling myself like, oh girl, look at you, girl, stop. Okay. Yes. So I go ahead with the darkest color in that medium to dark palette, and as you can see, I'm like, okay, do my little dance with my offbeat ass, and go ahead and just blend that in. If you have a little excess product on your brush, I like to do like a cute little lazy contour on my nose, or I don't know. But next, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some blush. It's not really a blush, but it's like a nice light brown warm color, and then I'm gonna start taking off that powder underneath my eye and just kind of blending it in, so that way it don't look really ashy. Again, I don't like that ashy look. So next, go in with that glow kit and just go ahead and get that thing popping. If you can see, my selfie light is going in and out, so the lighting is really horrible. I do apologize. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup, and I'll just show you how the finishing touch, because this selfie light about to irritate me and I ain't got my contacts in. God damn. But anywho, I'll be right back, y'all. I said I'll be right back. Damn, hard-headed ass, ugly ass. And voila, as you can see, that coverage is amazing. It looks silky, nice. I really like it. And please like and subscribe. I know this is my first video. Next one will be better, I promise. Smooches.